Hello everyone, today I will review the projector Provet. The Provet Home Projector Digital Multimedia LED, excellent images and picture. With 1080p resolution, 3800 lumens, 2000:1 contrast ratio and 16:9 or 4:3 aspect ratio, you can get just the picture you want. It features an adjustable 60-inch to 240-inch screen size, perfect no matter the room. A built-in universal USB flash drive reader makes it easy to input content. It is also ceiling mount compatible with the ability to be mounted upside down. Support 4K HD video, 1080p movie, TV, Blu-ray player, digital video recorder, phone, PC, camera, outdoor, office. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.
What is it you do?
Just wanted to say listen to the music all the time. Is he mental? Mental meaning slow. Was he slow? No. He had an accent when he was a kid. Still has a hum in the drum. Plays music to drown it out. And that's what makes him the best. 私が7つの大罪、傲慢の罪、ライオン氏、エスカロール様。それが傲慢です。ゲームはまだ続いています。 choice to make in Berlin. One life over millions. Now the world is at risk.
This is the CIA's mission. If he had held on to the plutonium, we wouldn't be having this conversation.
His team would be dead.
Yes, they would. That's the job.
You need to walk away.
Please don't make me go through you.
How many times has Hunt's government betrayed him, disavowed him, cast him aside? How long before a man like that has had enough? We all.
World Cup. We saw the working shot this time. In by Coutinho! In by Ronaldo! He is a sensation! And the action is still going. Finally shot against Cedric Suarez. Finish. Ronaldo. Finish! Goalkeeper threw out a hand and it was enough. Ziyech takes behind the header. Terrific save from Rui Patricio. First free kick, Benatia. Benatia! Flies it over the crossbar. Amrabat. Ziyech! Ziyech! That might have been the Moroccan moment.
You guys good to go?